Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a front leg raise. Standing with your right hip closest to the chair, with your right hand to the chair for support. Shift your weight into your left foot. Begin to lift and lower through your right leg, keeping your right foot flexed as you continue standing tall, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Shift your weight into your right foot. Begin to lift and lower through your left leg, keeping your left foot flexed, moving slow and controlled, squeezing and contracting at the top of the movement. Release and return to center. Begin to lift and lower your heels, moving at your own pace. As you lift your heels, rise up onto your toes, contracting and strengthening your calf muscles, creating more balance and stability. Release, returning to center. Transitioning into tree pose. Shift your weight into your right foot. Cross your left ankle over your right, with your left heel raised, and your left knee pointing open to the left. Continue here, or place your left foot to your right calf muscle below your knee, or use your left hand to place your left foot to the top of your right thigh. When you're ready, reach your left arm to the sky as you continue to invite space and a steady breath, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly firming your lower ribs in. Release and repeat this tree pose variation on the opposite side, standing with your left hip closest to the chair, with your left hand to the chair for support. Shift your weight into your left foot. Cross your right ankle over your left, with your right heel raised and your right knee pointing open to the right. Continue here, or place your right foot to your left calf muscle below your knee, or use your right hand to place your right foot to the top of your left thigh. When you're ready, reach your right arm to the sky as you continue lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, gently pressing the sole of your right foot to your inner left thigh, while resisting through your outer left leg, pointing your right knee open to the right, opening across your hips. Release and set your right foot to the earth, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.